Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your Apple Watch has at least 50% charge and your iPhone's Bluetooth is active. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap the watch entry or start pairing a new device. Once done, choose your language and which wrist you wear the watch on and set a passcode to protect data. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so health, activity, and app sync works smoothly across devices. Now you'll shape the look and behavior. Open Face Gallery in the Watch app to add, edit, or swap watch faces. You can tap complications to pick the data shown, tap to set colors, shortcuts, or widgets because complications give immediate access to key info. Next, under My Watch, drag to reorder apps and choose whether apps install automatically. Install only the apps you use to save storage. Remove ones you don't need to keep navigation clean and fast. Finish by tailoring settings so the watch behaves how you want. Adjust notification styles, haptic strength, and do not disturb or focus modes to control interruptions. If activity tracking feels off, calibrate sensors by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run in the workout app to improve GPS and calorie accuracy. Once done, confirm health and watch backups are enabled. If syncing or pairing issues occur, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and repair only as a last resort to resolve lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.